And hello everyone. Today we are flying out to Marmaris in Turkey. It's a 4-hour flight from Manchester and I am so excited to take you along with me.
चीज करो चीज इधर चीज हैप्पी है
We've just settled them down, just had some milk and we're ready to fly to Delman. शेरो और किधर आए हो?
I'm happy now.
I love you.
I love you.
First of all, welcome Turkey. We have two drop-off points. We are going to go first Sunway Hotel, and then we are going to go Green Nature Resort and Spa.
Hi Anam, you must have landed by now. Call me when you can. Can't wait to speak to Heather and hear all about his travel. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to day 1 at Green Nature Resort and Spa. We're here to celebrate Ali's birthday and to have fun in the sun with the children. It's a 7-day all-inclusive holiday. So let me tell you a bit about this hotel. It's located in a lush pine forest on the outskirts of Marmaris. It's pretty popular because it has everything you need for a family getaway. My favourite is the lagoon-style pools and the water slides. We spent most of our day at the pool. The temperature was around 32 degrees, which felt lovely, especially as we flew in from a cold and windy England the night before. A quick mummy tip: swimming can be really tiring for little children, so for Huren, I would feed her a mashed fruit puree. It was like she had her own fruit mocktail in a pouch. It kept her energised and really happy. I bought mine from my local Asda. I'll leave some of them in the description below. And of course, how can we forget sunscreen? I took the Nivea 50 SPF for the poolside. This was great because it was water resistant and we kept topping it up every couple of hours or so. There is an indoor heated pool too, but who would want to miss out on the sun? Me and Ali were so happy that we were fueling up on all the vitamin D. Later and we were all hungry. It's now dinner time. The food is served in buffet style, which is great as it gives you many options. My Heather is a picky eater and I would take him with me to choose what he would want to eat. Baby Huren enjoyed the finger foods and there's so many salads and vegetables to choose from. I would always carry a second plate for the children and lasagna was their favourite. The staff was super friendly and always on hand if you had any questions. So you can see the more healthier options that are available. This freshly baked pizza was delicious with chips and ketchup, one of Heather's favourite. The best thing about the meat is that it was all halal, and this grill stand is based just outside the pool, so you can actually hear the sizzling. The spice stand was pretty interesting. I would often experiment with different spices and herbs in my soup. So here is the allergen information. This is a great way to summarize allergy-related foods. Look at these desserts, always well presented and packed with yummy and exotic flavours. Hayda! किधर जा रहे हो? Jeep safari! As you've just heard, today we have booked ourselves an outdoor excursion. Ali loves his cars and Jeep is one of his favourites, so this one was for him. First up, breakfast time. The children enjoyed their regular toast. I would add cheese and fruits so that they stay full. Baren's particular favourite was cucumber, as you can see. Say hello! So this excursion takes most of your day. We were told to be at the gates for 10 o'clock and here we are. Hey Ali! Come on! Ali's nan! Turn around! Lovely hats!
Turkish KFC.
Turkish KFC!
Good job.
So this restaurant actually had a soft play area and Heather absolutely loved coming down this slide. We are heading to Jesus Beach. Heather is so excited. He's wiggling his little bum whilst running. That's how happy he is. And Hannah is fast asleep in her baby carrier. Hopefully she wakes up to enjoy more of the sun. But she is so tanned. अच्छा कैसे करते हो wiggle wiggle? Oh my goodness! This boat reminds me of Pirates of the Caribbean. Just look at this. very long here at the Jesus Beach, and we were off to go to our next stop, which was the beautiful waterfall. Hello. So we're at the waterfall. It's really busy. I guess it's a very touristy place. It was beautiful. The water was super cold. Definitely recommend for you to come here if you were to come to Marmaris. Heather is doing his boat. What an adventurous day this was. On our way back, we got some chocolate ice creams, which you can see on Heather's face as he is fast asleep, and we are going back to the hotel. After taking a brief nap, we were back outside. We are going to take this electric scooter and drive around town and the beach area and just discover Marmaris from a first-hand perspective, and I'll show you where we go. We rented this electric scooter from down the road. It was £5 for an hour, cheaper than a local taxi into town. It was a smooth ride. As you can see, it has its own marked pathway, which was great because we weren't stuck behind any traffic. The main road was bustling with people, which felt so nice to see, especially as this was our first holiday since the COVID pandemic. Slowly it was getting dark, and because Horan was nice and smug, she fell asleep. We've taken a quick break just by the side of the boats. We're parked right behind me. All sorts of crazy designs. I've just put Horan down. Hello! We met more people on these scooters just enjoying their ride. This brings us to the end of this video, which isn't the end of our trip because we have so much more coming up. From visiting local shops, amazing nightlife shows, to driving around town and going jet ski. There's so much going on and I can't wait to share it with you. So join me in my next vlog and make sure to click the bell icon next to the subscribe button so you're the first one to watch that video. See you soon!